Today we are making the Courthouse Steps quilt block. So this little quilt block is easy to make and I'll show you just how to do it. We're going to be making the 6-inch size like this, but I do have a printable that will give you the cut measurements for the 6 or the 12. So go ahead and grab that. You can print it off, keep it by your sewing machine. Okay, so for this block we're going to need a center square, and then we're going to need the steps, and these are all 1 1/4 inch strips of fabric cut to different lengths. And I'll go over those now. So your center piece will be 2 inches square. Then you'll need 3 different shades of the blue. So we have 2 pieces that are 3.5 inches, 2 pieces that are 5 inches, and 2 pieces that are 6.5 inches. And then for our background pieces, we are going to have 2 pieces that are 2 inches long, 2 pieces that are 3.5 inches long, and 2 pieces that are 5 inches long. And then remember that each of these strips is 1 1/4 inch. All right, so let's just lay out our block. We'll take our center square here, and then we'll take our shortest 2 pieces of our background fabric, and we'll just place one on either side. And then we'll just take our shortest of the blue pieces and place them on left and right sides. And then we'll just move our way to the longer pieces. So next we'll take our middle-sized strip and we'll place it next to our smaller strips on both sides. We will do the same thing with the blues on the left and right, and we'll just continue that pattern just to kind of give us an idea of what we're making here and just keeping things in line as we go. So I'm going to take this first center square and these 2 small pieces of fabric. So I'm going to place them right sides together. I'm going to stitch along here. I'll place this one on the other side and stitch right along there. Okay, so we have our pieces sewn together. So next we're just going to press them open. So I'm just got my cutting mat here, and we'll just kind of do this off to the side. But we'll just press open each side piece just like this. So we'll just lift it up and press. Now if we've done our stitching accurately, then these next pieces should line up and be the same length. So this is one of those blocks where it's not hard, but accuracy is really important. So we'll just take and flip. We'll just take our fabric, flip it right sides together, and we'll just stitch along here. We'll take our other one and we'll stitch along here. All right, so we've got those pieces sewn on. I'm just going to slide this over just a little bit so we can press this. We'll just repeat the same process over and over. So we'll just take our strips. We'll just go from blue to white to blue to white. So if I just did the blue, then the next strips I'm going to be adding are white. So we'll just take them, flip them right sides together like this, and we'll just stitch along here and along here, and we will just repeat that process over and over until we get all of the strips added on. 3 things that I think are vital to making these blocks. They're not hard, but the first thing you need to do is make sure you cut your pieces very accurately, very precisely. The second thing is to use a quarter of an inch seam allowance and be very precise with that as well. And then the third thing is press open each set of strips as you go to keep your block nice and flat. So that is how you make the Courthouse Steps quilt block. So if you'd like to grab the printable that I created, it has instructions, it has diagrams, it has the cut measurements for both the 6 and the 12-inch block. So go ahead and grab that printable pattern.